beautiful dahlia flowers are now part of the beautiful sights in Barangay Patag, Silay City. Dahlia flower symbolizes beauty, commitment, and kindness. They're also tied to steadfastness due to their ability to bloom after many other flowers have dried. The dahlia has been in Europe for over 200 years. It came from Mexico to the botanical gardens in Madrid towards the end of the 18th century and was named by Abbe Cavanille in honor of Andreas Dahl, a Swedish scientist and environmentalist. Dahlias start flowering in midsummer and continue non-stop right through the fall. Plant them in a full sun location and enjoy blooms all over summer. They will bloom and provide you with color and abundant flowers for cutting and enjoying throughout the summer. You cut a dahlia plant, the more it will bloom.